Okay. So you already know my intro, don't you? What's my intro?
Ciao, dobrost.
No! That's not my intro, Mom.
Long life spent in a miserable way.
It's Lindsay J back with another video, and today's video you can see I have my mom with me and I'm gonna teach her some Serbian, which will be very interesting because my mom does not speak Serbian. Like we do in the beginning of every video, here's a huge shout out to these two people right here for having my post notifications turned on. And if you would like a shout out right here on my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button down below, and click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you can post notification squad in the first 5 minutes of every video. Without further ado, Mom, let's get on to the video. Oh my god, that light. So I guess we might as well teach you something like not so hard. I'll teach you some like basic things you should know if you're going around the Serbian world. So first, as everybody knows, you say zdravo.
Bravo.
Zdravo.
Bravo.
That is hello, or ciao, that's easier.
Ciao.
Okay, and if you want to say yes or no, what's that? Da is yes.
Da.
And ne is no.
Ne.
And if you want to say thank you, you say hvala.
Hvala.
If you want to ask somebody how they are, you say kako si. Kako si.
Kako si.
Yeah, kako si. Or if you want to be like very proper, you can say like kako si. Okay, never mind, we won't do that. If you want to ask somebody what their name is, you say kako se zove.
Kako se zove.
Zove.
Kako se zove.
Kako se zove. Kako se zove, brate? You know, brate.
Kako se zove, brate.
Kako se zove.
Kako se zove.
Okay, close enough, guys. And now you have to say like ciao ljudi.
Ciao ljudi.
Because that's hello people, and I always say that. So, ciao ljudi, dobrodošli.
Ciao ljudi, dobrodošli.
What? Stop. I don't think that was
What the heck did I say?
First of all, you skipped ljudi and you said ciao dobrodošli.
Ciao ljudi, dobrodošli.
Okay, that's good enough. Now you're gonna have to say, or try to say, the hardest word that I know in Serbian. Remember from the video?
Otolaryngology.
Otorhinolaryngology.
Otorhinolaryngology.
No, otorhinolaryngologia. Laryngologia, ne. Otorhinolaryngologia.
Otorhinolaryngologia.
Otorhinolaryngologia. Otorhinolaryngologia. Okay, what if I teach you how to sing 2 of my favorite songs in Serbian?
Yeah, right.
I think we can do it, Mom.
Yeah, okay.
Come on, you know these 2 songs.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
ready? Glavobolja.
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 Od vina.
Od vina.
A nigde aspirina.
A nigde aspirina.
Sinoć bila sam
Sinoć bila sam
sa tobom pijana.
La Sorosipiana.
Sato Bompiana.
La Sorosipiana.
Vamos a poner Odvina and Nina Aspirina. And in the Aspirina, saying Odvina, Sato Viana. Why am I forgetting the words? Wait. Glavobolia, Odvina, Anigda Aspirina, Sinor Vilasa, Sato Piana. Okay, scratch that. Discoteci pravo ljudio.
Discoteci pravo ljudio.
Discoteci pravo ljudio. Okay, scratch that too. Rajkovic.
Rekovic.
That R, you said it like it's Spanish. Rajkovic.
Rajkovic.
Okay, and Andrea.
Andrea.
Okay, and Nargila.
Oh my god. What part of your mouth are you using?
I don't know all of the parts. I'm using all the parts.
You know what? This is perfect for older ladies to feel like they have a facelift. Because I'm using muscles in my mouth.
Mom.
Like,
Nargila.
Nargila.
Okay, that's pretty good. But we're gonna try and sing my favorite song. Not Aspirin, but what is that song called? I can't remember the name. Telo tvoje vrlo ko bahami. Telo tvoje vrlo ko bahami. Telo tvoje vrlo ko bahami. Punigrad. Ali ti si sama. Sit by me.
It sounds like you're saying sit by me.
Sit by me.
Sit by me. Please sit by me and help me.
Mom! Sit by me. Nasza damy chladiti. Si, dobra koreana. Oh, nigga nas montes monsada. Oh, tias motel magrada. Okay, now you're gonna try and say Snowball's Serbian name.
Snowball's Serbian name.
No! Everybody knows that my kitty cat Snowball also has the nickname Grudva Snega.
Grudva Snega.
That means snowball in Serbian. Grudva Snega because sneg is snow.
Grudva Snega.
Grudva
Snega.
Mom! Sit by me. Grudva! Yay! Grudva! Racičanini! Grudva!
Put me down!
Oh, look, she's like looking at herself. She's like, oh, I'm pretty.
Pretty eyes.
Thank you, Grudva. Hvala ti, Grudva. Guys, Grudva secretly hates me. Machka. Yes, that's cat. So, as you guys can see, my mom is a Serbian pro just like me, obviously. She speaks better Serbian than I do.
Da.
That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you know what's good for you. Like we say at the end of every video,